Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some rustic cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Rustic cottage decoration is a warm, cozy interior style that blends countryside charm with natural, aged materials. It focuses on simplicity, comfort, and a Lipton feel, inspired by rural homes, old land cabins, and traditional cottages. This style is very close to country cottage and farmhouse decor, but rustic cottage leans more towards raw textures, antique tones, and handmade elements. Key features of rustic cottage style: uses natural materials. Rustic cottage interiors highlights solid wood, reclaimed or distressed, stone fireplaces, oven baskets, linen and cotton fabrics, rattan or wicker furniture. The more natural and imperfect, the better. Uses earthy and soft color palette like common colors include warm beige, cream, soft white, rose cream, muted brown, dusty blue, warm gray. These shades create a calm countryside atmosphere. Uses distressed and vintage furniture. Look for weathered wooden tables, antique cabinets, open wooden shelving, vintage trunks, and iron bed frames. Use cozy textiles. Layering is important, like knitted throws, plaid blankets, floral cushions, crochet table runners, and vintage lace curtains. Since you love cottage style decor, adding handmade crochet details would fit beautifully here. Rustic kitchen ideas use open wooden shelves, ceramic jars, copper pots, farmhouse sink, wooden cutting boards displayed as decor. The look feels practical yet decorative. Nature-inspired decor. Bring the outdoors inside. Use wildflowers in messengers. Use dried lavender, wooden bowls, botanical wall art, bronze or twig accents. Lighting style. Choose warm lighting like lantern-style lights, old iron candlelights, table lamps with linen shades, candle holders. Soft lighting makes the space feel welcoming. Simple rustic cottage decorating ideas. Added distressed wooden pins near entry. Use floral wallpaper on accent wall. Display vintage teacups on open shelves. Mix old and new furniture. Add open baskets for storage. Use soft layered curtains. More rustic cottage decoration tips. Add architectural character. If possible, highlight or mimic classic cottage features like those found in rural homes around coastholds. Like box wooden ceiling beams, shiplap or bedboard walls, arched doorways, stone-style accent walls, paneled lower walls, wainscoting. Even peel and sticked wood panels can create a rustic illusion. Embrace imperfection. Rustic cottage is not about perfection. In fact, small flaws add charm. Use lightly tipped paint, uneven wood grains, handmade pottery, visible brush strokes on painted furniture. The worn-in look makes a space feel authentic and cozy. Mix floral plus plaid patterns. Layering patterns gives that true countryside charm. Use small floral cushions, plaid or gingham throws, striped linen curtains, botanical prints at work. Keep the colors muted so the space doesn't feel busy. Create a cozy reading nook. Rustic cottages feel lifting and peaceful, and a cushioned armchair, an intro, a small wooden side table, a vintage style lamp, a stack of old books tied with twine. It instantly creates that storybook cottage vibe. Use antique-inspired accessories, thicker pieces that feel collected over time or bust. Use old clocks, ceramic pictures, wooden trade pots, iron candle holders, vintage mirrors with distressed frames. You don't need expensive antiques. Even thrifted items work beautifully. Layer different wood tones. Don't match everything perfectly. Rustic cottage looks better when you mix light oak, warm walnut, whitewashed oud, reclaimed oud peaches. The variations add depth and warmth. Add soft rustic window treatments. Avoid heavy modern curtains. Instead use linen curtains, lace panels, cafe curtains, tie-back cotton straps. They allow natural light to flow in softly. Bring the garden inside. A rustic cottage always feels connected to nature. Use fresh herbs in clay pots, dried flowers hanging upside down, open baskets filled with greenery, floral shades on doors. This creates a countryside atmosphere even in city apartment. Display everyday items as decor. In rustic cottage style, practical items become decoration. Hang wooden spoons on hooks, stack enamel bowls openly, display folded quads. Keep oven baskets visible. Nothing feels hidden or overly styled. Keep it warm and inviting. Finally, remember, rustic cottage style is about comfort, not show. Ask yourself, does this space feel cozy and welcoming? If yes, you are doing it right. Advanced rustic cottage decoration tips. Focus on texture over perfection. Rustic cottage style is all about texture layering. Mix rough wood plus soft linen, open baskets plus ceramic pottery, sunken drawers plus smooth cotton sheets. Use iron hardware plus delicate lace. The contrast creates that rich, cozy countryside feel. Create quality over time styling. A rustic cottage should never look newly decorated all at once. Instead, mix old and new pieces. Combine flower market finds with handmade decor. Use heirloom style accessories. Avoid matching full furniture sets. Think of charming countryside homes like those in coastal. Nothing looks overly staged. Add soft wall treatments. Walls make a huge difference. Try lime wash style paint, soft cream or warm beige tones, floral wallpaper on an accent wall, vintage botanical prints in wooden frames. Use decorative plate walls. Muted walls make rustic furniture stand out beautifully. Use warm-aged metals. Modern shiny metals don't fit rustic cottages. Choose antique brass, old iron, brushed gold, copper accents, matte black hardware. Minimal use. This adds warmth and authenticity. Decorate with seasonal simplicity. Rustic cottage style changes gently with seasons. Spring, use wild flowers and pastel cushions and light linen curtains. For summer, use fresh herbs, straw hats hung on hooks, open airy spaces. For autumn, use pumpkins, warm plate throws, wooden trays with candles. For winter, use pine cones, extended layers, soft fairy lights. Keep it subtle, not overly themed. Add handmade elements. Handmade decor instantly increases rustic charm. Use crushed pillow covers, hand-stitched napkins, DIY wooden shelves, hand-painted chairs, open wall hangings. Since you like cottage-style decor, adding handmade crochet details will elevate the space beautifully. Create tipped with lighting layers. Instead of on-bright ceiling lights, use table lamps, wall sconces, lanterns, candles. Warm fairy lights. Lighting should feel golden and soft, never harsh white. Keep storage beautiful in rustic cottages. Storage is decorative. Use wooden crates, open shelves, open baskets, glass jars for dry goods, hooks for hanging mugs or aprons. Nothing feel overly hidden. Add rustic cottage scents. Ambience matters. Think lavender, vanilla, cinnamon, fresh linen, or sandalwood. Scents enhances the cozy countryside atmosphere. Balance simplicity with warmth. Don't overcrowd the space. Rustic cottage is cozy, soft, lived-in, natural. Not cluttered, overly polished, or too modern. Create soft visual quietness. Rustic cottages feel peaceful, not busy. To achieve this, keep furniture low and grounded. Leave some breathing space between decor items. Use muted colors instead of bright ones. Repeat 2 or 3 main tones throughout the room. This creates the ceremony and calm. Style surfaces in small vignettes instead of screeching decor everywhere. Group items, example combinations: wooden tray plus candles plus small vase, stock of old books plus ceramic bowl, or cutting board plus linen cloth plus clay pot. Keep it natural and slightly imperfect. Use soft curves. Rustic cottages often avoid sharp modern lines. Add round mirrors, curved back chairs, oval dining table, arched shelves. Wavy edged pottery curves make the space feel gentle and inviting. Add subtle rustic wall details. Beyond paint, try wooden peg rails for hanging baskets, vintage hooks for hats and aprons, decorative oil baskets, framed pressed flowers, handwritten recipe art in rustic frames. These little touches make walls feel lived in. Make the fireplace a focal point. If you don't have a real one, create a fixed focal area. Add a wooden mantel shelf. Style it with candles and greenery. Near a large mirror behind it, place an open basket with blanket below. Many traditional cottages in places like coastal are centered around cozy huts. You can recreate that feeling anywhere. Use soft, natural flooring. Rustic cottage floors look best when they feel warm. Options: wooden floors, real or laminate, jute rugs, beaded rugs, layered cotton rugs, distressed look tiles. Layering rugs adds extra coziness. Keep furniture functional and comfortable. Avoid overly decorated pieces. Choose tipped cushioned sofa, slip-covered chairs, wooden benches, open bookcases, farm-style tables. Rustic cottage is meant to be lived in daily. Keep furniture functional and comfortable. Avoid overly decorated pieces. Choose tipped cushioned sofas, slip-covered chairs, wooden benches, open bookcases, farm-style tables. Rustic cottage is meant to be lived in daily. Decorate corners thoughtfully. Corners often get ignored. Try a tall open baskets with charred branches, a small ladder for hanging blankets, a narrow wooden shelf, a corner chair with cushion. These small details elevate the whole room. Add emotional warmth. This is the most important part. Rustic cottage style should feel welcoming, gentle, personal, and peaceful. You can display handmade crafts or meaningful objects. That personal touch makes it feel real, not just styled. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.